Top 5 Screen Protectors for iPhone 11. Number 1. LK Glass Screen Protector, with the price of $11. LK's screen protectors always speak of hardness and the quality of the material used. It protects your iPhone 11 with double defense technology. The protector is made from 9H tempered glass, which is scratch resistant and protects your screen from sudden drops and bumps. The fingerprint coating on the screen ensures that there are no fingerprints left once you use your iPhone. It's easy to clean and the oil smudges can be removed easily. The screen is highly responsive and doesn't affect the normal responsiveness of your iPhone. It comes in a 3-pack of protectors, in case you messed up while installing. Before proceeding further, keep in mind that the All Screen Protectors link is available in the description below, so check out if you're interested to buy any of them. Number 2. SuperShield's Glass Screen Protector, with the price of $7. With HD clarity and 2.5D rounded edge glass, this screen guard gives you extreme comfort while you use your iPhone 11. And the 9H hardness ensures that your iPhone remains safe during sudden drops. The highly responsive screen of your iPhone remains untouched, and it maintains the original touch experience. And the hydrophobic coating protects the screen from sweat and fingerprints, to keep it crystal clear without any marks on it. It comes with a 2-pack protector and lifetime replacement warranty. Number 3. ESR Glass Screen Protector, with the price of $11. ESR is the most preferred brand when it comes to tempered glass screen protectors, especially for iPhone. The protector is sturdy and can withstand 22 pounds of weight on it. ESR claims it's 5 times stronger as compared to normal tempered glasses. It comes with a bubble-free installation kit, which ensures that there are no bubbles left when you install this protector on your iPhone 11. The dust removal sticker and cleaning cloth help you clean your screen, ensuring no dust particles are left over on the screen. This 2-pack protectors come with a lifetime warranty. Number 4. Unbreak Cable Glass Screen Protector, with the price of $12. With 9H hardness and made with reinforced technology, Unbreak Cable is the best tempered glass you can get for your iPhone 11. It automatically attaches to your screen without leaving any air bubbles once you place it on your iPhone 11. The protector is easy to install and comes with anti-fingerprint feature. It's designed in such a way that it's also compatible with most of the cases. The protector comes with a 3-pack, so you can easily replace it with another one once it gets older. It has a 36-month worry-free warranty. Number 5. SuperShield's Film Screen Protector, with the price of $6. This protector is made from high-quality Japanese PET film, which makes it transparent enough so that you have a hassle-free experience while using your iPhone 11. Along with real touch sensitivity, it gives maximum protection to your device with 9H hardness. The flawless touch is the best thing I loved about this tempered glass. SuperShield's comes in a pack of 6 and it includes lifetime replacement warranty as well. Bonus number 6. Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector, with the price of $50. The Whitestone Dome Glass Full Screen Protector for the iPhone 11 is definitely a premium screen protector. Using a proprietary UV adhesive installation, it is made in a way that allows it to work perfectly with your iPhone 11 screen. Although it involves some extensive installation process for the protection it provides, it is definitely worth it. After installing the screen protector, you can enjoy the crystal clear clarity and long-lasting protection thanks to the 9H hardness for absolute protection. This screen protector ticks all the boxes in terms of protection and functionality. I strongly recommend watching an installation video before attempting to install the screen protector yourself.